Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Danado here for MoneyBiz, and today's video I'm going to review this new website known as Videomine.org. Actually, in this video I'm going to give my own personal conclusion. I call it personal because it's going to be personal. I'm actually going to show you the research to prove if this website is legit or if it's a scam. And if it is legit, I'll also show you proof, probably to show if it's going to pass the test of time or it's going to fold up with time. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to decide. Actually, I'm not going to force my own personal decision on anybody. It all depends on what you want to do. But literally, I'm going to review this and give you a full insight whether to go into it or not. But the final conclusion or decision or step to take belongs to you. Now, what is VM technology? So VM technology basically stands for Videomine. Now, so they boast of getting you entertained and motivated while you also earn. Now, all these first thing you are seeing, as I'm going to my screen, they are all ad. So literally, there is ad running on this website, not Google ad. Actually, is I think Advara or one other company ad that is running through the website. So this is where their website begins from about our product. So they say Videomine technology is an innovative creation that brings into existence two different programs on the same software. Literally, what they actually boast of on this platform is that they give you options either to earn as a single affiliate or to participate or to earn as a group. So you participate as a group and you can earn. So as a single affiliate, you can earn, or you participate as a group. We call something multi-layer marketing, MLM. So this one enable you to keep earning as you have people under you. Share your gap, just like you earn as you refer more people. Literally, that is what that is the two way you can earn on this platform. Now, it is a technology development that seeks to ensure that general affiliate marketing is utilized effectively and efficiently. So on this platform, everybody can earn. According to them, you can earn because their aim of Videomine is to empower the country at large. So I also have you on Videomine. You are your own boss, so you can work anytime, you can make money any day. So literally, that is all you have about this platform. And when we come on there, they say that they bring value to the table, that they have the best services outside there, and they also have futures. They say they have a better future actually, and they also boast of being guaranteed. So you got so they also have some other pictures to show that they are legit. So now they now pose a question to you and I, that why should you or why should we choose them? The first thing they said that is very that's kind of motivated me to even come to review this website was that they said they are registered organization under the CAC in Nigeria. It means that according to them, they're registered in Nigeria, but I'm going to check this out if really they're registered in Nigeria or not. So it's very important to watch this video to the very end. Do not just put your money because this ability to join this website is not free. You have to pay. I think the payment fee is 2,000 naira, so you have to pay. Now, I've had so many people that have given testimony. I call it testimony actually because it's their own word of getting paid. So many people have even boast of getting paid of 40,000 naira, 120,000 naira, so much like that. Literally, it is possible that this website is paying. It is very possible. So you got, because it involves you starting with money, so it's possible they pay. This website just works like every other website that has come before it and gone. Literally, this website, they will come, they will pay you. When people are now much on it and have gotten enough resources, they just pack off. Just like every other, so many websites that has happened like that. So they say they're user friendly. The tasks are easy to complete. Now, basically, there was somebody that created a video. The person actually created a sincere video because I actually watch other videos and see them just talking about just register under me, because for them to make money you have to register under them. So they say just register under me, then they will show you how things is being done. Literally, the person actually said the money you can make per day, according to the video I watched, is that you can make 450 naira per day. Means you can watch only one video, you can share only one sponsor ad, and your daily that you come inside daily, so everything together is 450 naira per day. So for you to get your money back, so you have to work like, let's say, for like 10 days or 20 days. So when you work for 10 days, that's 4,500. So you got, then you can get your money back according to review I have read and testimony I've listened to before I come out with this video. Now, this Videomine.org also guarantee you of paying. According to them, they say that you are going to get paid, and they say their website is secure. So let us go on and check every other thing that I think you should consider before actually going to this platform, either to invest your money or not. So let's go to let's see. Let me just go up here. and I think I've pressed something. What did I press? So let's see. I actually click on contact us. So literally these are the contact. They have contacts here. So you can email them. This is their email here, and this is their phone number. You can just call them. I didn't actually call this number to check, although you can call to confirm. Then they have a Telegram, they have a Facebook channel, and they also have a YouTube channel. So you can just check this out to confirm. Now let's actually go and confirm if they actually register on CAC. I think that's very important. Let's see, take them for their word. Literally, there are so many outcomes. There are so many people that have boast that they have paid. I'm not saying they're not paying. It is most certain that they're going to pay, because you are actually paying Shigap, because you're actually investing money, time, and data. So it is most certain they are going to pay. So if you are joining this platform now, if you want to join this platform, I would advise you to join it now. If you want to, if in quotation, no, so this is not my word. I'm not telling you to join the platform. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you that if you want to join this platform, I advise you to join it now. Just go to the platform, go to their website. You see how you can actually join. So you just join them, pay the 2,000 naira, and you do what you are asked to do. You watch video, share link, and also refer people under you, and you make your money. So because there's a great tendency that this website is going to crash in the nearest future. Now, one thing that make me not to actually go into this website, one thing that make me, Daniel Adeoboye, not to go into this website, is that I see it building up greed in the heart of man. I see greed getting building up. This is my own personal opinion though, because whenever I see opportunity online, I tend to go into it. But anyone that personally I'm not convinced, no matter if that it is free or I pay a certain fee, so I'm not convinced, I stay off from it. Now, I'm not telling you this to stay off from it. Nevertheless, I just stay my own personal opinion, because I told you that this is a review, and I'm just going to put my own little personal opinion and not to be biased. So you can go into this platform if you want to. If you want to, it is now you should go into platform. Just go there. You will see how you can get in touch. Then you are good to go. Now let me now confirm. Let's get more details about this website. So I go to who.is as I usually go, just to confirm every other domain here. So when I go to who.is here, I insert their domain, that is videomine.org, and let's check what actually came out. So let's just open so very fast, and let's see. Okay, it is important I tell you that this website was registered on it was created on the 1st of November. So that was when this website was created. So so that is literally, if you're watching this video, I'm creating video December, so it means it was actually created. It was actually what can I call it? Created few months ago, just few months ago. So let me go to let me just press it here and just show you how things is being done. So I'm going to go to this website w.is just to look it up on and see how it goes. So literally videomine.org, that is the name there. Now this videomine.org here is the name is the person that register it under PDR, that is public domain registry.com. So that is like the kind of what can I call it? Like the kind of server, the hosting company that actually register it. So that is the registrar info. And one thing you must also note about this thing, as you can come to the important day, they say that it's going to expire. So their domain is going to expire on the 22nd of October 2022, because it was actually registered on the 22nd of October 2021. So to register on October 22nd of October, and it's going to expire next year October. So definitely 2022 October. So it depends, and the server is protected or clouded with Cloudflare. So this doesn't mean anything significant. Similarly, we have similar websites. That is, we have website that does the same thing according to what this website does. For example, you can see them all here. Just come and you can just check them out, and you see that they perform exactly the same thing. Now, who is the person that registered this platform? The name of the person that registered this platform is Joshua Stanley. Is it Stanley or Stanley? So the person is actually the organization where the person actually registered is. Registered in Lagos at Odusi Street, Akoko. So all the information are actually available here. Now this is the email and the phone number that you can contact. So this is of everything you need to know about the domain. Now let me also go to CAC and check if the website is actually registered with CAC. For me to actually check here, I try to look for any available name of the complaint. So I actually went to search.cac.gov.ng. That's where you can check the name of any website that is being registered, or any business that is registered. So I searched videomine.org. Nothing came out. I searched Videomine, nothing came out. So let me just show what I mean. So when I come and I search for Videomine, I just want to make this video to be clear, so you get so all this steps for it should just be clear if everything is right. So when I search Videomine, you can see search not found. So I also come to videomine.org. Let's see, probably the register as videomine.org, because there is no proof to show that they actually registered with CAC yet. So search not found. Then and I remember that their short name is VM, so I search VM Technology. So when I search for VM Technology, behold, a name was actually found, but that name was actually located in Delta State, and the status is inactive. It means that VM Technologies is a name, is a company name in Nigeria, but registered in Delta State, and their CAC is not active. So you got it's not active. It was registered on the 2nd of September 2011, so it's not active. So literally, if you want to go into this website, let me come back to the website videomine.org. Just go to videomine.org. You can actually register. So when you register, you just come to. So when you come to about us, I think contact us. When you come to contact us, you have access to those numbers where you can actually get your coupon and you can register and you can start making money. Well, I can say you make money. For example, just call any number and you are good to go. I can say you make money because it is a new platform, and since you are registering, so they will try to build trust, and then just to make sure that people come and they pay. Of course, they'll first pay, so they will pay. I'm saying this based on what has happened before with other websites. I'm not saying this website is going to be like that, but it has the tendency of crashing. So if you want to make your money, you can start now, make your money and forget about it. But if you do not want to forget about it, well, it's your personal decision, your personal opinion. So ladies and gentlemen, I also created this video to make everything clear about this platform. So for you to join, it's 2,000 naira, and you can join, make money. The tendency of you making money actually, because they are proof online that they've paid. So the tendency of you making money, you want to make money, you want to join it, you can join it now. But if you are like me, though I don't know why I'm just not yet convinced about this website. Though they may be paying, but I don't have that. I'm here to build this personal, the word personal in quotes, personal, and this personal urge to join the website. I don't know why, but nevertheless, if you want to join the website, you are good to go. And if per virtue the website actually pay, you can just comment below that it pays. Then probably this is going to help people out. And don't worry, I'm still going to keep giving updates about all these websites. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Don't worry, you are safe in money bits. Your subscription is very precious to us. You are safe here. We won't just bring any website to you, but we'll make sure that we have done enough research to come with real websites. And if at all the website we brings to you have any problem, we will also inform you so that you won't be at dark. You will not be in the dark. So you guys, ladies and gentlemen, Benado Boy here. Please subscribe, like and share, and comment below if you have any question whatsoever. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you.